Feeling stuck? Here's how to become unstuck. So to put it very simply, feeling stuck is when you feel unhappy or there's a feeling inside you that feels you could do more. Firstly, assessing where you are. On the map, zoom out, press find your location, see where you are in your life right now and assess, is this where you want to be? The second one is setting the goal of where you want to be. Something that lets you know there's an end goal to go to so that you know you can progress towards something. Because as we said, progression equals growth and development, which equals happiness. And the third and final point is you've assessed where you are, you've got your goal, set the points in between, the milestones in between. Now these milestones, how you keep track, it's up to you. You can check in with yourself once a month, you can check in with yourself once a week, keep a track of where you are just to see if you're going even towards those milestones.